Brian's taking care of the back straps for us, and this is the last spare part remaining. Nice.
Yep.
Got a bit of velvet on there.
Nice bit of velvet.
Yeah, very nice. So we're going to cook a piece of this. We're going to do it two ways. We're going to leave the fat on and one with the fat off.
Nah, I've got a couple of New Zealand records.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And hunting and fishing, if you go. Here we have our two back straps. So, we do one into steaks.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this little steak heads.
Do the other one, take the fat off it, and
yeah,
I'll just face that first bit up. How's that look for thickness?
Yeah, that looks good.
Good. Cool. It's like butter.
Yeah, that's going to go nice into that.
Butter. Very tender.
No issue to hunt deer any time of year in New Zealand?
Is there? Yeah, no, you can hunt them all year round.
Is there an introduced pest, right? They don't belong
They
here?
are. They are classed as a noxious animal. There's a lot of people do hunt them. With the COVID, they actually become a little bit more. There's more around because of COVID. Not people.
Oh, right.
There's
There's no hunting season.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
something good came of it then. More
Yeah,
venison.
so numbers increased, which for some of us that's a good thing. But yeah, there's certainly a lot around, but they are an underutilised asset.
These are as well. Good measure. We'll sit around a bit. Right, it's getting close. It's about 105 or something in internal temperature right now, 105 Fahrenheit. I'm just going to dust it off with a light sprinkling of Big Texan, just for the end. This is going to get nice. So we're going to take this up at about 120 and then just wrap it up and let it sit for a few minutes. Yeah. Just call it a day for that, wrap it up. We'll come back to it shortly. That's it for this maybe 10 minutes. First few minutes. Sear up that fat, maybe soften it up a bit, and then we're going to flip them over for the last exciting moments. They already smell good. No rest zones on this cooking top. Probably have to do these in two stages, I reckon. Take them off once they get too excited. See a bit of fat coming off. And give them a rest. Fire frenzy. Fire! Guys gonna have a break. I'll just give them a bit of rest time. Over here on the paper. Take them off, let them calm down a bit. That's looking good. Go back on. This way is the break. 93. That's good. 92. See, don't be afraid of a bit of serious heat. It's still not even cooked in the middle. Just going to give them a bit quick vacation off the flames. Yep. So you can get their act together again. So quickly back on for the last sear. They're about 105 or 107 internal. So just give them one more bash on the heat, and then we'll drop them into some foil. Okay. See the myoglobin coming out as it gets cut. The longer, give it a couple more minutes, it'll be very, very red, even though it might not appear that because of the sunlight, but you can see there, that is perfect. No, it's going to be tender. Oh, baby. I should put some Sweet Martha dipping sauce down there, dipping powder. We've got some of that. Need to add a little Big Texan dipping powder just on the side here. Don't forget to try this as well. You ready to dip? Oh baby.
Beautiful.
Delicious. See, the dip's good afterwards, right? Yeah, it's well worth it. I mean, you still get that little bit of connective tissue, but it doesn't really matter.
Paddock to plate.
Steaks, venison.
Let's keep that moisture in there as well.
Awesome.
And that fat flavour. You're welcome.
Thanks, bro.
Pleasure having you guys here, and you're welcome anytime. We'll get you out fishing next time as well, and the sea will play ball, and yeah, we'll get you out there to catch some fish as well.
Yeah. Thumbs up. All right. So the next time you're looking for some decent meat, next time you're in Mokau, check out Mokau Butchery at BBQ Pit Boys.com.